Alright.
So it's a Boeing 717 on the runway. It's lined up. It's going to take off soon. And it's also a Tasmanian one. The livery's pretty cool. There's like
Tassie Devil.
Tassie Devil,
Oh, sorry,
Tassie Tiger, Devil
Tassie
thingy,
Tiger.
footprints, and there's even like a Tasmanian devil on it, which is pretty cool.
Can't wait for the takeoff.
Yes, it's awesome.
Looks like he's rolling. Here he goes.
Oh, yes,
Yep.
it's coming.
Cool.
Here he goes.
The thrust is pretty powerful. Oh, I'm gonna have to make this like a proper video.
Yeah. Well,
That's how long it is.
And it's
ready up.
Then nose isn't up yet. Oh, it's going up. It's going up.
going up.
That's pretty good.